This shall apply to all payments, if they are payment for contracts or professional fees or interest or rent or dividend or commission or brokerage. All of these will be eligible for this 25% rate reduction. Through this, and as I said, this will be coming into force from tomorrow and last till March 31st, 2021. And this reduction we think will release nearly 50,000 crores in the hands of the people who otherwise would have paid it as TDS. This reduction alone is going to give 50,000 crores back to the people, in the sense it will be in their hands rather than coming in as payment of taxation.
जो TDS रेट्स हैं वो सभी नॉन सैलरीड पेमेंट वालों को, रेजिडेंट्स को, और TCS रेट जो है उसमें 25% की कटौती की गई है फाइनेंशियल ईयर 2020-2021 के लिए, और इससे 50,000 करोड़ रुपए का लगभग लाभ आम जनता को मिलने वाला है। यानी कि अगर मेरा 100 रुपया बनता था तो मैं 100 रुपये की बजाय अब 75 रुपये दूंगा, और उसमें 25% की कटौती की गई है। तो एक बहुत बड़ी राहत गैर वेतनभोगी इन सब के लिए, नॉन सैलरीड पेमेंट टू रेजिडेंट्स, इनके लिए की गई है।
The next is a set of dates which are getting extended for direct tax, some of the measures that we are taking. All pending refunds to charitable trusts and non-corporate businesses and professions, including that of proprietorship, partnership, LLP and cooperatives, shall be issued immediately. I did mention at the beginning that we have already refunded quite a lot of refunds which were either 5 lakhs or lesser to individuals who waited for their refund for a long time, and through that nearly 14 lakh people had benefited. Now we are saying that the pending refunds of all charitable trusts, non-corporate businesses, professions, proprietorships, partnerships, LLPs and cooperatives, many of whom can be very small. Many of these are in cooperative sectors, many are MSMEs, many are small partnerships. All their refunds will be given immediately, which will mean that they will get their due money, that's their money, they will get it back in their hands without any delay. Then the due date of all income tax returns for the year 2019-2020 are now being extended from 31st July 2020 and 31st October 2020 to 30th November 2020, and tax audits from 30 September 2020 is being changed to 31st October 2020. So that is a measure which will help people not to worry about how they are going to do their compliance, will they be able to file their returns or not. So that is a step which we take. And the last one, which also is a taxation related measure, is the date of assessments getting barred, because assessment time gets barred with a certain date. We are conscious of it, we have taken cognizance of it. So